Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a hard reset on Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So here is my phone, Galaxy A26 5G, and you need a USB data cable to do a hard reset because you need to connect your phone to your PC or laptop. Also, your phone needs to be turned off, and if you had before a Google or a Samsung account on this phone, after the reset you will be asked to enter your user and password, and if you won't be able to do it, you can't use your phone. Now let's connect the phone to the PC. First I will connect here, and now the other side I will connect to my computer. Now you need to wait for a few seconds until the phone starts charging. And as you can see, now it's charging. And first you need to enter into the recovery mode. For that you need to push and hold volume up and the side button until you will see a Samsung logo on your screen. Then just release your fingers. So let's do it. Volume up and the side button. Just keep pushing. Keep pushing. Now release your fingers and wait for a few seconds. And this is the recovery menu. Now you can disconnect your phone from the USB data cable, and here you need to press on the volume down to go to wipe data factory reset. Here there is. Now to enter, press the side button, and again with volume down, just press once and go to factory data reset. Now to reset your phone, press again on the side button, and now the format is over. And to reboot system now, again press the side button and wait until your phone will restart. And now I'm back with my phone, and you need to do the initial setup. First just select your home language and tap next, and then just tap next to do the initial setup. I will speed up the process. And now you are all set up. And everything is fine. Here in the menu we have some inactive icons, but all there will be active after you connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. So everything will be okay after that. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.